This problem, we're gonna find all degree solutions to A if the cosine of A minus 25 degrees equals negative square root 2 over 2. As we see A minus 25 degrees as the argument of the cosine, which is representing the quantity that for an angle, we're gonna let x be A minus 25 degrees. Then the equation becomes cosine x equals negative square root 2 over 2. The cosine of an angle is negative, means an angle x will be in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. Use the unit circle to help us determine the x, which is the angle that we are looking for at this step. The x value is the first coordinate of the order pair. In the second quadrant, the first order pair, the first coordinate of the order pair as negative square root 2 over 2, which is equivalent to 1 over square root 2. So we can see the first coordinate as negative 1 over square root 2 for an angle 135 degrees. And then in the third quadrant, the first coordinate negative 1 over square root 2 and angle in degree is 225 degrees. That means we have two solutions for the x. So x equals, in the second quadrant, x equals 135 degrees. And the third quadrant, x equals 225 degrees. So I'm going to put a note here. This is in the second quadrant. And the second one is from the third quadrant. Recall the x is a minus 25 degrees. Replace x with the a minus 25 degrees. And then add both sides by 25 degrees. We have a equals 160 degrees for the first one, and a equals 250 degrees for the second one. So this step, we have a in the first revolution, which is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. The problem asks to find all degrees solution. Recall one revolution is 360 degrees. So the multiple revolution or k revolution is 360 degrees multiplied by k, where k is any integer. Now we write as the all solution form in the form of a equals 160 degrees plus the multiple of 360 degrees, which is 360 degrees multiplied by k. And the second solution is a equals 250 degrees plus 360 degrees multiplied by k.